Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to another store giveaway hour where we're going to be sort of giving away some nice kits at really cheap prices. But before we get into that, we've got a nice little raffle going on. It's a nice charitable raffle that's going on. We've got over £200 worth of products that we're going to be giving away in this raffle. There's links all over the place. There's a link down below in the description on YouTube, which will take you to a nice little page where you can buy however many raffle tickets you want at £1 each. And basically we're going to be giving that away next month. We're going to be, drawing out a raffle ticket, and that is going to be the winner. Now, it is for a charity. We do like to support Tourette's Action here at Genessis Models. I don't know if you know this, but my daughter does have it, and it is something hard to sort of deal with, and we want to help support Tourette's Action because they support us and everybody else who has Tourette's. They do all sorts of cool things like, just simply setting up events and weekend getaways and stuff where people with Tourette's can just feel comfortable in going, because one thing about Tourette's that we have found is that it's hard to go out, right? People with Tourette's do tend to feel uncomfortable, and when they feel uncomfortable they get more ticky and it becomes hard. And the problem is when you go out, people don't quite maybe understand it and they do stare, and again that makes people uncomfortable. And that's the cool thing about Tourette's Action, is they set up these events where they can go out, actually get out the house, see people with the same condition, and feel comfortable in their environment, because everybody else has Tourette's and they're all ticking, it's all no problems, and it's just nice comfortable environment that they set up, as well as they have a wealth of knowledge to help support people with Tourette's. So we want to support this charity by helping them raise money. And what the wife's doing is she's doing a half marathon in London, and it's all just to try and raise money to help Tourette's. And we're just doing this nice little raffle here at Genessis Models to help put towards what she's raising doing the London Marathon. So let's just take a look. We've got a massive box here, loads and loads of kits and stuff, and I'll just sort of go through them all. Once you bought your ticket, by the way, as always, these store giveaway hour videos are the last Friday of every month, so it will be the 30th of July, 7 p.m. as always, where we will sort of put my hand in a box and we'll pull out a raffle ticket, and whoever's name's on it is going to be the winner. But either way, it's a win-win situation, because you help support a charity, and if you win, you get all these prizes. First off, we'll go through the kits. We have a 1/72 scale Hawk Mark 1A. This is by Airfix. We've got a nice Bolt and Pull Defiant Mark 1 1/48 scale by Airfix. Right, we even have a nice Tamiya one here. This is a pretty good one, the Lockheed P38 FG Lightning. This is in 1/48 scale, really nice kit. That one's quite expensive as well. Then we've got like a box full of goodies, loads and loads of Hanance paints. Alright, whole bunch of these. I've kind of selected a couple of colours that hopefully will go with a couple of the kits that we've got here. Even some thinners to go with that. We've even got a bunch of tools as well. We have all sorts of like what is this, locking tweezers, both straight and curved, some cutters, a photo etch bending tool here by Trumpeter as well, whole bunch of like masking tapes, more masking tapes, the sheet kind. We have a whole bunch of sort of Tamiya paint brushes, loads and loads of cool stuff. Then we have microscale. We do microscale industries, we do like these. We've got micro crystal clear, we've got micro mask as well, we've got micro sol and sets, all nice there. And basically all just comes to around about just over £200 if you win. So nice big prize, right? All you got to do is buy £1 worth of raffle tickets, or more you buy, the more chance you get, and you also help support a charity here at Genessis Models for Tourette's Action, which is all good. So let's move on now with the store giveaway hour. So moving along with the store giveaway hour, which is nicely supported by the Genessis Model Store and BJ Hobby Supplies in the US, just so as you guys in the US can also get your hands on these kits. Now the first kit that's going to be going up is going to be Airfix's Gloucester Meteor F8 1/48 scale. Really cool kit. I did do a step-by-step on this. This kit retails in the UK at £38.99. We're going to be giving it away for the next hour for £19.99. So really nice cheap. We help you out, sort of pay for this. The code to use if you go to the Genessis Model Store is SGH11. Will also work for the US store as well, BJ Hobby Supplies. Now in the US, you know, this kit retails for, where was it again, $52.99, and BJ Hobby Supplies is going to be putting up for $26.50. Really nice and cheap. Again, the store giveaway error code is SGH11 for this kit. You know, all you got to do really is simple. Just pop in the code, go to the store, whichever continent you're on, you know, put it in your basket, enter that code, and you get that nice amount knocked off. So really good. The next one is a really sort of nice big one here. Really do like the look of this kit. This is an absolute beauty here. This is Ming's US main battle tank M1A2 Abrams. This is 1/35 scale. Really cool kit. They generally are quite expensive, admittedly, so getting this in the store giveaway hour is going to be really beneficial for you guys. Now this normally retails here in the UK at £57.99. We're giving it away for the next hour at just £28.99, and the store code for that is SGH12 or SGH12. In the US, surprisingly way more expensive. These kits do retail in the US at $94.99. Pretty damn expensive in the US. So BJ Hobby Supplies will be giving this away at $47.50 in the US. Same store giveaway code, SGH12 or SGH 12. Right, so some nice good giveaway hours. You've got an hour to get in there, buy it, and then the codes get removed and you won't see that ever again. So it's just one chance, 1 hour. So you've got till 8 p.m. I do believe tonight, and then those codes do disappear. So get in there while you can and while stocks last. So hopefully you've enjoyed that. Hopefully, you know, you're gonna get in on the raffle, because I mean, great prizes and you help out a charity. Hopefully you're gonna get your hands on one of these nice store giveaway hour kits. Really nice and cheap. Probably won't see them again, and you know, you won't get them anywhere cheaper than that, because as I say, we help you out with the cost. So you've got all the codes, you got all the links. You know, get over to Dennis Small's website, get over to this BJ Hobby Supplies, and get yourself a nice bargain. But as always, until next time, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I will see you in the next store giveaway hour, which will be the 30th of July, the last Friday of every month at 7 p.m.